High in the Himalayas, a desert is turning green. Climate change is real, and many places around the world are bearing the brunt of it. One among those is Ladakh. Ladakh, a trans-Himalayan mountain desert in the extreme north of India, with villages located at 2,700 meters to 4,000 meters altitudes. It is a cold desert with winter temperatures touching minus 30 degrees Celsius and an average annual rain or snowfall of only 100 millimeters. The glaciers in this Himalayan region shrunk and made rainfalls and temperatures unpredictable. Water is needed to irrigate the fields of barley, apples, and other crops in spring. But the glacial melt doesn't arrive until summer. In fact, several picturesque villages in Ladakh turned into ghost towns due to the water crisis. To spare farmers a barren yield, engineer Sonam Wangchuk has invented a way to bring the glaciers to the people. What are ice stupas? In 2015, with $125,000 raised on a crowdfunding site, Wangchuk built a 60-foot tall ice stupa, an artificial glacier made by piping mountain streams into Ladakhi village.
This solution that we are working on, the ice stupa artificial glaciers, is about freezing the water that goes unused in winter into cones of ice. Because of this geometric shape, it doesn't melt till late spring, May, June. Now that's the time when people are dying for every drop of water.
The water sprouts geyser-like from a vertical pipe, freezing into a cone of an ice shaped like a Buddhist shrine. It is designed to stay frozen until the spring sun warms the fields. Sure enough, Wangchuk's prototype began to melt in April, watering a field of newly planted poplar trees. By June, when the regular glacial melt began to flow, the ice stupa was mostly gone. Now, Wangchuk is laying a pipeline to build 50 more ice stupas. Each will supply 10 million liters of water a year and irrigate 25 acres of land. Word of this project has reached mountaintops across the world. Last year, he built Europe's first ice stupa in the Swiss Alps, and this year, he'll work on refreezing a glacial lake in India to halt flash floods. The inventor, whose past projects include solar-powered buildings and efficient cook stoves, won a Rolex Award for Enterprise in 2016. He is using the winnings to establish a pan-Himalayan research university that will address the region's environmental concern. The water shortage is a huge problem, said Sering Spalsis, a local farmer, in a video for the crowdfunding campaign. In the future, our children will find it impossible to continue farming. Wangchuk hopes that if locals adapt now, their descendants won't become climate refugees. We in the mountains are minorities, not just ethnically, but climate-wise, he says. Things that work out in New York or New Delhi do not work in the mountains. We have to find our own solutions for our problems. Besides solving the water crisis in the region and re-inhabiting several ghost villages, these inventive stupas have also become an important tourist attraction in Ladakh. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe.